Hello, welcome to Instructional Technology Development Tools. I am your course facilitator, Dr. Ravi, and today I am going to discuss on screencasting techniques. I have already uploaded a reading activity in your MyVLE, and you can see this is what I have uploaded, and I hope you should have already read the content which has been uploaded in the MyVLE portal. So what do you basically know about screencasting after a complete reading? A screencasting is a technique by which one can capture the user's computer screen interaction with the user's preferred audio. As you have already read or should have already read from this content which has been uploaded, I believe that you have a strong understanding of screencasting and its application. You can also see there are few postings by our students in our discussion forum, and you can see here Karan has posted few interesting tools that allows one to capture the screen. He has listed a lot of interesting tools, a long list of course, and followed by Lee, who has a comparison of certain screencasting tools. Let me show you what happens when I Google to find screencasting tools. Once you type screencasting tools in your Google, this is what is the display, and you can see one option is 5 best screencasting tools. Let me select this link and see what are those 5 screencasting tools. You can see here the 5 best screencasting tools has been listed. One is ScreenFlow, Jing, and CamStudio, Camtasia, and of course ScreenToaster. Okay, now having seen this, I prefer CamStudio because CamStudio is a free open source, which means you don't have to pay for using it. And also the most interesting aspect of CamStudio is you can save your screencasting either in AVI or in SWF format. By saving SWF format, you can upload in your website or you can take it to your PowerPoint presentation. So that's one of the most advantages of saving your screencasting in SWF file. Now let me show you as to how to download this CamStudio, install in your computer, and also apply it to your assignments. So once you type in the Google CamStudio download, you can go to CamStudio download link, and once you click, you will be taken to the download link, and from here you can download and install. And once you install, this is what is icon you see in your screen, the desktop screen. So once you have your complete installation done, you are ready to use your screencasting tool, which is CamStudio. So now see how I am using this CamStudio. So once you have the CamStudio installed, and when you open it, this is what is visible in your screen. And if you press this button, you can start recording. You have an option to record your content in SWF format, which you need to click here and select. You have options to select, and these are the options by clicking the option button. And you also have region option, which allows you to select a portion of your screen or full screen or just a window. So you have various options at the top of your CamStudio menu bar, and I leave it to you to explore and do the assignment task number 1. Please remember that when you are recording, choose record audio from microphone so that you can always use a microphone to record your screencasting, and make sure that your audio is enabled. So this gives me a chance to demo the screencasting technique using CamStudio, and this ends my first video on screencasting. Please explore and start working on your first assignment. All the best.